Hey everyone, just look at this official 1xBet website, guys. Look at this. Full functional website, all work, guys. All works. Look at official domain 1xBet. I scroll side, I move into this full functional website. Look at time, guys. Look at time, look at date, look at timer, guys. This full functional website, this is absolutely real. Absolutely real, guys. This Telegram channel, SQL group official. Look at guys. Look at guys. Look at that. This for one week. This for 1 week, guys. This for one fucking week. SQL group. Look at SQL group support downloading only this channel, guys. Downloading only this channel, guys. Oh, SQL group release, guys. Look at SQL injector Aviator official account, guys. Buy only this account and login in SQL injector, guys. Login. Why, guys? Look at this fucking real predictor. This fucking working real predictor. SQL injector mod. Look at guys. 1xBet because 1xBet website. Apple SQL injector settings. Okay. I choose mod for 1xBet, guys. Look at I'm moving to this all real, guys. This all real is not fake. Hack, guys. Hack. Look at first hack. 7.74, guys. 7.74. This full functional website, this full functional predictor premium version, guys. Look at this Telegram channel official Telegram channel. Look at guys. Hack. Wow. Oh, 2.10, guys. Look at. Just look at. This really full functional website, guys. This all real. Just look at this. This for 1 week, guys. This for 1 week. Look at this, guys. 2.10, guys. This full functional, this real SQL injector hack. Next hack, guys. Okay. So, oh shit, good number. 14.01, guys. Look at this really good number. Look at time, guys. Look at time. Look at date, guys. Look at time. It's not fake. It's not fucking montage, guys. It's not copying. Just look at this real video, guys. Look at this full functional website and real SQL injector, not fake injector. Look at guys. Boom. This fucking real. This whole work, guys. Just look at full functional website, SQL group official Telegram channel, Aviator Predictor, guys. Look at win, guys. Crash hack 1x, guys. Official support, guys. Official support channel crash hack, guys.